Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install RedNote app on your iPhone. So if you recently noticed the TikTok ban in the US and now you want to switch over to RedNote, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store on your iPhone. Here you're searching for the following app, RedNote, all one word. Now this is the app you're looking for. It's a red square with some Chinese or Japanese writing. So go ahead and tap on it and then go ahead and install this app. And now once the app is installed, go ahead and open the app and you'll come to this login page. And there you go guys, that is how to download and install the RedNote app on your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.